Do your edits still suck because you don't know how to make a good ghost effect in After Effects? Well, don't worry, because today I'm here to show you the best way of making one. If you want my exact preset that I use to make my edits look the best as possible, make sure to check out my payhip right now because there's a 40% sale right now. It's only gonna last a few days, so make sure to don't miss out on the opportunity. As you can see, I'm preparing an edit right now and I want the first clip to have a ghost effect on it. So I'm gonna start by duplicating the clip that I want the ghost effect to be on. We're gonna do that by clicking on the layer and pressing Ctrl and D on our keyboard. Once we've done that, it should look something like this. And what we're going to do first is we're going to press T on our keyboard to bring up the opacity property. We're going to set a keyframe at the very beginning of the clip and put the value down from 100 to 75. Once you've done that, go to the very end of the clip, to the last frame, and put it from 75 to 0. Now we're going to go back to the beginning, press S on our keyboard to bring up the scale property and set a keyframe at the beginning. Change the value from 100 to 101. Go to the very end and set it from 101 to 170. Once you've created those keyframes, we're going to click on the layer and press U on our keyboard to bring up all keyframes. We're going to select them all and add graphs to make it look smoother. So we're going to right click on the keyframes, go on keyframe assistant and easy ease them. So we're not going to change the opacity graph, but what we want to do is we're going to change the scaling graph. So we're going to select the keyframes and open our graph editor. Now just zoom in and copy my graph. Once you're done, your graph should look something like this, and we can now close our graph editor again and take a look at the final product. As you can see, it looks great. If you want to add a Y-shake, don't worry, I got a tutorial covering that as well. Just click on the top right corner right now. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and share to a friend who desperately needs a ghost effect tutorial. Also, make sure to check out my Discord. The first link's in the description. I'm there 24/7. You can ask me questions about After Effects and I will gladly help you. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.